So let me show you how to find downloaded Apple Music on your iPhone 16 or iPhone 16 Pro. So launch the Apple Music app on your phone, and then on the Apple Music application, tap on Library. Under Library, you should see Downloaded. And under Downloaded, you can see downloaded music in playlists. Okay, so you can see all playlists downloaded. You can see them in organized according to artists. You can see this organized in albums, and you can even see them organized in individual songs. So all these are downloaded songs, and you can actually tell they're downloaded because they're going to have this little arrow facing down. Okay, every song you see with that little arrow facing down means it's downloaded. And that is basically how you can find all downloaded music on Apple Music on your iPhone 16 or 16 Pro. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and even subscribe for more tips, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Good luck.